Thinking about studying at Deakin? Wondering what university life is really like? Chat with our international student ambassadors and get real answers from real students.
The International Student Ambassador Program is a student-led initiative at Deakin University.
This is an opportunity for current and alumni to interact with potential students or people who are interested in becoming a part of Deakin.
It's a good platform because you get to speak to students in real time.
So you can chat us about what life is at Deakin, what cafes to check out, how do you make friends in a new environment.
One of my experiences was actually hard for me to make friends or connect with people. With the platform, it basically makes it easier for them to have that connection before they arrive here.
We will help you with everything beforehand and give you first-hand advice before and even after you arrive at Deakin.
I got involved as an international student ambassador because there's always nerves and there's always things you're so uncertain of and you always wish you have someone to talk to about it. So I wanted to be that person for someone else.
Moving to a new country is a big step, but you're not alone. Our Deakin International Student Ambassadors have been where you are now and are here to help you every step of the way.
Talking to a student, it's more relatable and it's very relaxed.
As a student ambassador, I know and understand the challenges that students may face when they come to a new country. And so part of my job is to encourage students to reach out to student services.
For example, the Student Central, I can come and ask them whatever I have questions. I don't have to figure out myself, which takes so much time to do that.
I live at Deakin Residences. They have lots of events where you can interact with fellow resis or residents and make new friends.
I found myself getting involved with the Sri Lankan Society. So it really helps just to get involved in different programs and find that there's so many things that you can just fit right into.
Whenever I've been at Deakin, I've felt heard, I've felt important, I've been given every single opportunity, and there's been no bias between international or domestic. I've always been given the opportunity as a student and as an individual who's got that particular talent.
Initially, I was really nervous about making friends, but there are people from all sorts of backgrounds and cultures, and just by meeting up in different places, we just got together and I've found some of my closest friends at Deakin here, which has been amazing.
Everyone is so friendly here. Even the staff, the students, they understand we are international students, so they understand our struggles, so they always try their best to help us out.
So whether you are curious about campus life, feeling nervous, and need some reassurance, the student ambassadors are here to help. Connect with a Deakin International Student Ambassador today through our online chat. We can't wait to welcome you to Deakin and be part of your journey.